Hi guys, welcome back to today's video, and in today's video we'll be talking about how you can launch your own virtual card issuing platform. Now this is a next generation virtual card issue platform designed to help you launch your own secure professional card generation business with ease and in one dashboard. And the advantage is that it supports unlimited card for users, automated payment, billing, invoice, branded card, a card top up, why even accepting payment via every other gateway and even mobile money. Now this can be launched as a SaaS, and you can get paid whatever they need to purchase a card, and you get your money and start making your money easy peasy. So now, like I mentioned earlier, you can use it to generate virtual card, credit, debit card, not normal data, for example. So it can be used for online use, to buy something online, purchase something online. You can enable, these are the features I'm talking about now. You can enable custom broadcast templates, enable secure top ups, enable OTP, 2FA factor verification, email SMS verification, etc. on it to make it secure for users. Now I'm going to show you a demo walkthrough of how this works, how you can get it installed, and what you need to have to set it up for your business or for personal use. Like I said, it can be launched as a SaaS. And if you need this for your business, let me know in the comment section or contact me via the details on the screen, and it's ready for the hours. Now let's get right to it. But before I get right to it, please ensure that you like this video, share this video, also comment if you have any issue on what I've said, if you have any more clarification or answer to that, and so that you don't miss any updates of any of the software I talk about on this channel. And now let's get right to it. Now this is the admin dashboard. How people top up. You can top up people's accounts, you can accept card transaction, you can see card transaction, you can manage cards, you can manage users, payment option, you can even the support option. Once user is having issues for support, you can always you can put a ticket and you can assist them. And you can also check reports of how much you make, etc. Check subscribers have come to the platform and how it has been. Like I said, this is a report dashboard and admin that controls the front end and the user section. Now I've talked about the front end. This is a landing page. In case you want to set up a what you call set it up for business, you can have this as a landing page. And now let's go to the user dashboard. What user will see when they actually use this platform and they want to buy a virtual card from it. They can have options for cards, they have option to top up, they have option to deposit, where you will accept the top ups here. So everything is together. So everything that user does here, you will see it in the admin dashboard section, like I mentioned. So this is a very good platform that you can maybe create, the next generation virtual platform that you can help you issue virtual cards for users. Some people that have issues with getting virtual card, if you need to set it up, this is the best platform. This is how you can do it. And if you want to get it on, let me know. Like I said, I can wait for the hours and I can help you set it up for your business or for personal use. Now, what do you need? You need cPanel, dashboard, you need to create a database, you need to get a script whereby you upload it in a file manager and have it set up. Now, don't worry about this. If there's an issue, contact me, drop me a comment, contact me via the email or WhatsApp contact on the screen. I'll help you set it up and it's ready for you for the hours. Now, the beauty is that this is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. Imagine a platform like Cheaper, a platform that pay heavily for you to get virtual card. But this option for you can have unlimited virtual cards, and they can also sell it to people to use. Now I've said a whole lot, so if you need to sell this on, contact me on the screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, like, comment away. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Bye.